All right, you guys, it's the one and only Christopher Bruce here again. Formerly Christopher Bruce Barrington. I just thought we'd do some more mathemagic with the gods and see if they'll do some mathematical patterns with me. I did some of these several days ago and put them on, I think it was Facebook and my website forum thing. My no members website forum where nobody talks anyway. Nobody ever would talk anyway, so who gives a shit, right? If it's private or not, who cares? But anyway, yeah, and then I got an email from some lyrical genius type guy who's talking about values and dudes and stuff like that and whatever. So it's sort of like possibly acknowledging that they're seeing and understanding. The person's name was apparently Matthew or Matt. So anyway, I thought we'd try to do some mathematical equations here with the gods and see if they can do something and give us a result that has something to do with the name Matt. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to get 5 random numbers, multiply them all, then do a square root, or sorry, I meant to do a cube root, and then divide it by the number 6 value and see if it somehow comes out to something to do with Matt or Matthew. All right, so here we go. Let's see. Let's clear off this. All right, here we go. All right, our first random number is 825. Our next random number is 688. Our next random number is 705. Our next random number is 232. And our fifth random number is 267. And our sixth random number is 889. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do 825 times 688 times 705 times 232 times 267. Then we're going to do a cube root on that and divide it by 889. And that gives us a result of 32.797. Who the hell knows what that means? 5817, blah, 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 blah. All right, so how does that relate to Matt or Matthew? I don't think it does. Let's just see what happens if we divide it by pi. No, that doesn't have anything to do with Matthew either. And times pi doesn't have anything to do with Matthew either. So, okay, let's just try to figure out, what can we do here? This is like CB, gig, and then E, 817. E817, so it could be like crispy, gig E, or 79 could be guy, GE, or maybe it means backwards we got GREG, Greg, IGW. So we could do it backwards. It'd be 71857, and then 9723, which could be Greg, IGW, which maybe is a play on Jew. Greg Iju. I don't know how the word Greg ties into the word Matthew, but yeah, I'm gonna go on the internet and see if the name Greg has anything to do with Matthew, and we'll add to this video later.